what do you need? Me I go back there. What I say? Me tell me do so. And I'm tell you, to me can't me catch you because who your police now watch me. I'm a friend and I catch you. So who police in no crowd? Who mean me? Watch me say. Okay. My penny crab pro catch was hey. Yeah, I know. Because me tell me do. My penny is there. I'm A+. But penny is like A+ crowd. Then crowd ne handle. Then the problem. What is the issue in the world from the Basana? What is the issue with my boy? What's the issue? Going to mention me. Where am I? Where are you going to mention me? Going to mention you. What's your problem? Serious one. But as some American also know, a young maybe a moment try say you be dealing with issues, no. No crane say maybe deal with issue no na bulldog kind anyway, no. Yeah, beg me you be who. I know say nipa no. So wo ya dia. Edu time bia na koma no kosora na waka asem ye ni se woka what you say Sir John na me fa the crazy Supreme Court and some of them can do am Supreme Court say John obi apena so obi ani say Sir John or any obi awofa but no come ba no ko kan asem ni e de no ko Supreme Court and lawyers ne ba no be patch o say edu time bia ubufu na kosora na temperament na ma waka kan asem bi ni se woka ni nyina ebufu de edu time bia the Sanyo Mani ba what you say. Ain't you know, when young Casabia, bulldog yard, what I say. As I'm the canoe, I want to come, Asana, wouldn't say, maybe you like to do ya. Lawyer for me, I don't be sure one better small canning no more could be a better, but when you be that, make one make when you be a dead channel. For the men cat, meaning maybe a dead channel. When you never cow veteran, I don't think can not that, but about phone. Hey.
This is not the first time I make this answer with. And I'm saying, so for that girl says shoe. And so we can't take a question. Me in Chamansu.
You do because the camera idea about it.
We've been in Chamansu.
I saw a friend one of us shoe.
What will be a French was shoe that? Down and says shoe. Miss Uncle from no moon Chamansu. Me power beer, too. Me 2021. So people come and so from me probia or so far. Me members here about 3,000, 4,000, 5,000 on so the party no. Na me na chimanso. Nya nkura so for. Oh, nkura so for mu hwe.
Oh, sure. But all ya para.
Oh, sure. And I'm saying nkura so for mu hwe.
Oh, who be?
Asana me kan so won tell.
E wo hunu ade ango hunu se
so fu bia wo kase ten makato. So fu bia o kase body yanko so fu achi biara. Onya papa. Me na kato pray. You are little punai. Asana why you ni adie. Onyi ni die. Nobody's perfect. It is a magwa communion service fufu na nya. E bia na ntimi nya bi ma wa sori for and condemn me die.
Matthew 7 verse 1.
Me quotation here.
Muaten.
Muaten.
Wabuaten.
Wabuaten.
Atekura mbobu.
Atekura the book of bless am say me free nyame no.
Wode bebu mu.
Ya de bebu one day.
Atekura mo disusu.
Atekura na odi susu mi no. Ya de besusu ama.
Ai na wo hwe dua wo ni su.
And then na wo kunche die ni so na wo sorry for that na so wo moa wo mo. Na wo nya yie na me de na wo.
Awa won su puna.
Death row, Lisa Montgomery is due to be killed by lethal injection tomorrow. Now, if it goes ahead, she'll be the first woman by the federal government in 70 years. Noel Phillips is joined by members of Lisa Montgomery's legal campaign in today's Daily Podcast. This will come on the early rundown point this morning. A big FA Cup upset as League Two side beat Premier League opposition. Federal death row, Lisa Montgomery is due to be killed by lethal injection tomorrow. Now, if it goes ahead, she'll be the first woman by the federal government in 70 years. Noel Phillips is joined by members of Lisa Montgomery's legal campaign in today's Daily Podcast. This will come on the early rundown point this morning. A big FA Cup upset as League Two side beat Premier League opposition. Federal death row, Lisa Montgomery is due to be killed by lethal injection tomorrow. Now, if it goes ahead, she'll be the first woman by the federal government in 70 years. Noel Phillips is joined by members of Lisa Montgomery's legal campaign in today's Daily Podcast. Come on the early rundown this morning. A big FA Cup upset as League Two side beat Premier League opposition.
Prophecies are a war film, and then in another meeting I can end it. But first one, let's pray for our president. My Canada, let's pray for our president. Sir Obet Nature 4 years. Let's pray. My Canada, let's pray for our president. So Obet Nature 4 years now. So this year, next year, the third year, and the fourth year. Let's pray. When you say mention come keke, menkasa 2019 prophecy am mind na ba mu. Eja sisiye. Ene ne ma me keke nyina ba mu. Me jira ha 30th November. And I'm say abane edane, but I'll do something. I did it. So let's pray for our president. 2. Me who say na enso to na from akase bi e boy. And from a cassie apple, now at the light ahoma, near me was a tapum, and a sissing for a sort of and a tender, a jar, and a sissing light ahoma, now me was a single for fear. Let's pray that AC. Let's pray that AC. Mister who said, police for this prophecy in Mani last year, this year, Miss Summer. And one committee said police for this soldier and robbers exchange and be a 2 million. Police for any armed robbers on the real task because 2021 armed robbers for the year to my by a silence over yesterday. Let's pray for our current Speaker of Parliament. Last year news sir Enkwafobia kwakwafa yenu ya bema Bulldog Hansen Esiama ama ebeyeje nsamu kukoswa na babi ya chichira aboa no eho anso eniema Uncle Rex Omar awanso Uncle Rex, good evening.
Good evening Mata say
yeho adom yeho ya pa wadaro ma besa na nsane e wonchen ne baaye ma yenya ne nte ese enkrofo bi akofa Bulldog ama babi aya hwe ne yehunu akire yekodua mu akire kura na Bulldog koka aprosifo nsa ensam no akosi sei eden na obetumi aka fa the latest information on Bulldog.
Yo me da se me cheche for na we de men kasa bebre enche bia be 30 minutes me na Bulldog lawyer ene me kasa se o ma grantini bail ntino asema wechi na kakaka so many say ya granting bail me ever since me enra na many Bulldog kasa but ene de me nya no ne kasa na me hu no kra ntino but no kra na down say he's been granted bail
na just say fibra ya chi Bulldog no uduadua mu u follow up
papa enra from we are 2 na me police headquarters me ne Sadiq me other guys Farrell and Zori ne a whole lot of people now yeah for a long time it's when him rebel 7 cra it you know ni you mo ya na machire be kwan bia ni bibia e betimi ai said be ai be yinia no e be free friends be bia akwhye no but nyakopon atom ne lawyer no any penfo bebre aboa ma sese wanya bill
lawyer no ma
all around you and decrease stop in your life.
Definition we say you know for the whole
Fear is an emotional fear. Look, listen. I am a professor of Samai, the Samai, and I'm a who Samai who will be a way. I didn't be a part of your system.
memorize it.
That's the walk.
I dream.
I don't know, sorry, I'm quite a software be saying, me, a bomb to 30. We are
Yeah.
Look, I am not afraid to die.
Hey,
and listen to me, Reverend Bishop, Pastor, or whatsoever you call yourself.
with due respect.
With nothing respect, let me tell you, point blank, that if I die now, it is not your prophecy. Listen, I am not a child. For any spiritual amateur to prophesy about my life.
No, prophesy about
no, you are not God. Listen, let me tell you something. When somebody tells you are going to die,
my God,
look into the eyes of that person and tell me you will die before me.
You die before me. Listen,
this whole month, you need to take fear out of your life.
Listen, you
got to take fear out of your life.
Strong.
Be strong and courageous. Huh? Pentecost, man, be strong and courageous. Yes. Man, be strong and courageous. We would have been be strong and courageous.
Man, be strong.
Obaba wa kwasia kai sini ne me bebre computer
Yefenze
Frane cancel anade ni di
Castre
me pa chai
onu na Castre de se obi awu ga na hefene Castre
de one ne girlfriend no kwajolo wonsuo mu a omuhu nu
Castro na okay na Castro na okay
me pa chai
ana Castre wako Castro
me pa chai
mame me ba nyina nsem na ato ache
me kabia dabrabi
wudi wani hu Castro
me pa chai me pa chai osia ka se ye no computer ne me bebre wa pono nkura
ei
nto baba mu be hu ni so waba
Castro be samba
me pa chai won wui no wo na se me kodi wa manto wo no mu be ye ma yesi mewu
Ghana boy ni masaka me ho biem creativity continuity said ye munimo no nyema bebre na Nyankopon de meye na because wa ka kire se me hia wo a sembabua me na dwumadi a media betimi akwa nanim mpanyimfo se aboa ne betwa nsu a ne firi maba na etuo su gina etiginafo a na eto kese se dem di kan kan mo ma na nye se Ghana boy de ne yare yesresade nemum still no kwan bia so me hia wo a because na nka ka obi akoma wase mato camera me dia ma for twa videos if se me ni bachi ebia wo yedwumakuo bi na pese wo sponsor me a baby ma puna to wo di answer obe frame me 0247 Ghana boy ni masaka me ho biem creativity continuity said ye munimo no nyema bebre na Nyankopon de meye na because wa ka kire se me hia wo a sembabua me na dwumadi a media betimi akwa nanim mpanyimfo se aboa ne betwa nsu a ne firi maba na etuo su gina etiginafo a na eto kese se dem di kan kan mo ma na nye se Ghana boy de ne yare yesresade nemum still no kwan bia so me hia wo a because na nka ka obi akoma wase mato camera me dia ma for twa videos if se me ni bachi ebia wo yedwumakuo bi na pese wo sponsor me a baby ma puna to wo di answer obe frame me 0247 Ghana boy ni masaka me ho biem creativity continuity said ye munimo no nyema bebre na Nyankopon de meye na because wa ka kire se me hia wo a sembabua me na dwumadi a media betimi akwa nanim mpanyimfo se aboa ne betwa nsu a ne firi maba na etuo su gina etiginafo a na eto kese se dem di kan kan mo ma na nye se Ghana boy de ne yare yesresade nemum still no kwan bia so me hia wo a because na nka ka obi akoma wase mato camera me dia ma for twa videos if se me ni bachi ebia wo yedwumakuo bi na pese wo sponsor me a baby ma puna to wo di answer obe frame me 0247 Ghana boy ni masaka me ho biem creativity continuity said ye munimo no nyema bebre na Nyankopon de meye na because wa ka kire se me hia wo a sembabua me na dwumadi a media betimi akwa nanim mpanyimfo se aboa ne betwa nsu a ne firi maba na etuo su gina etiginafo a na eto kese se dem di kan kan mo ma na nye se Ghana boy de ne yare yesresade nemum still no kwan bia so me hia wo a because na nka ka obi akoma wase mato camera me dia ma for twa videos if se me ni bachi ebia wo yedwumakuo bi na pese wo sponsor me a baby ma puna to wo di answer obe frame me 0247 Ghana boy ni masaka me ho biem creativity continuity. Said the munimono a nyama bebree na nyankopon de meye na because we catch us me hia wo a semba bua me na dwumadi a media betimi akwa nanim mpanyimfo se aboa ne betwa nsu a ne firi maba na etuo so gina etiginafo a na eto kese said them di kan mo man nye se Ghana boy de yare yesresa de nemum still no kwan bia so me hia wo a because na nka ka obi akoma wase mato camera me de ama for twa videos if se many bachi e bia wo yedwumakuo bi na pese sponsor me a ba bia mapona to a wo di answer obe frame me 0247 Ghana boy ni masaka me ho biem creativity continuity said the munimo no e nyema bebree na nyankopon de meye na because we catch us me hia wo a semba bua me na dwumadi a media betimi akwa nanim mpanyimfo se aboa ne betwa nsu a ne firi maba na etuo so gina etiginafo a na eto kese said them di kan mo man nye se Ghana boy de yare yesresa de nemum still no kwan bia so me hia wo a because na nka ka obi akoma wase mato camera me de ama for twa videos if se many bachi e bia wo yedwumakuo bi na pese sponsor me a ba bia mapona to a wo di answer obe frame me 0247
kama ababa wanya fishe dunkron a je se ni ade fra ne Juliet Obu ni pa bonifo bi akoku Juliet Obu ekwe ahwedwuli bo ba dwuli wa hye ne t-shirt wa hye ne skirt pians ena eja wadane ne ti abo ne duku ene ade on ne dem mojamu obi akokum Juliet obi akum Juliet kwa na ne hye osudoku ne mpotamu ekura frese do yumu abeka bo manfo da sore ya Julina da ho ya moja pram no na nanim butu fam ha wana da ho no wana da ho na chese wabie ne nema wada ne mfonyin we di efe wa hye ne kiki kama wa boniti konro kama ne se hwe Julina da ho yi wokọ na manfo wo potamu se wada wana jwa no motisu obi tiem obi majimi obi asa kura
ya bayo no na ye kunu dada odaho be kan de fanse be ya namo anajo 9 8 mo ye abom hu easy se ba no da buja musa chane sa so chane pasa ba de no da muja musa ye wo ko punta ma ye be fefu abosi ko be fefu o bi na be na meeting ya chuchu bi ya chanity na ya chane za ne kotoju
mi kupa o sanja meni na we mi do so ya meti se ne ha me pa jana me pa we ni abafia ni beti se obi na abedi ni na obi ade abebo na to se kind of me twa ni na ya pa ene ira ni paniku na ja ni pa ya dia nye ka
omanfo bi a wo munim Julie na ati so mu di ne ho adanse no na wo wo de don beko asase di ade
se o hia me na we nya nyichire bi na ade me mpese me ko me ya me ngi sade ni ndiko me makuma mu no eni Nyankopon di emi ehia wate ase
okay
but nkofo ana che so so awon no so me try so me kwa kotie yeah so for pain ti me kwa kotie no
okay
me kwa no start shenkom o si ohun ade no se mebusuafo a wo finya akrom wo be se wo kume la 2017 November no me nwura be si a stay me nwi you so for no di atro secondly me busuafo ni bia so mfi aguna anya akrom nti o kan no asoro won kwa me challenge nkakra but na say ebe too much into
challenge
oh me catch and say me busuani bi enfi aguna nya
na congregation wo ho
oh yeah
in front of the congregation
me catch and say me nye busuani bi a wo nya akrom no o si o mi nko bisa me maame mo bia na me nim
awo reka once lost kekepe bi
kebisa bisa nti na ya ye na me twa so na me ko bisa me maame no o si me busuani bi enfi aguna nya akrom nti from there no me hu so chale in Solia boys bojisu girls bojisu most of them only are wodi attract enkrofo no so it's better say me ya soro wo makumemu na ma me fiefo no ya so nyame wo fie dan say me kwa kotra so bi you chop money am osofo na you know they akoto
you don't really get credit for people to come and commit crime but if you sit down ask host and the director, including for the next demo, and this boy threatening the president. If one is a you know, he was not giving the necessary support. Of course, I would show now that say police don't want to go further. The number background, UTV and the producers will also be cited for contempt. And for aiding and abetting. Seriously.
Nessa nya branch and kwasem say wakana sem to afan ho adi.
Yes, one woman on the platform, you are also guilty.
Okay.
What would say who shares say, oh yeah, all can I do now who is a big customer. Now to also with him. I know him.
Yeah.
And yeah, who can catch him? I don't know.
Yeah.
Okay, so who know do head that. And now since you know that can help it. And now Muna but also down.
Okay.
It's a bold law. A problem. The problem is say the patapano or the person who the patapano who is patapano the mother rope to.
Yes, patapa.
You see, there is a limit to which you can attack the president.
Okay.
But don't go and threaten the president. You see, Galka, you know, say the president cannot finish the term. Jesus Christ.
But Doc, Rebecca said, a conditioner because was say yen men's gold seeker president and tria men's gold seeker now.
And your conditioner. And it means that you are blackmailing the president.
Okay.
You are blackmailing the president. What is a blackmailing to a crime? So this will be said, someone in the way, another way, I say blackmailing. There is a president at all costs, so she go and find money. We know money now.
Yeah.
Only someone takes the move. To now give you a news. UTV can be cited for aiding and abetting.
UTV?
Yes. And remember, I know him.
Okay.
If somebody sits on your platform and commit a crime, and you allow the person, and you don't stop the person, you don't make a disclaimer, and the person commit a crime, if they can be cited for aiding and abetting.
Okay.
Because the crime was being committed in your presence, and you did nothing about it. You sat down, by your conduct, you were encouraging him to speak. I think the papa, you can be excused for me to the first of the league.
Yeah.
But the first of the league told him clearly, say, on retract to apologize. But almost killing the including and not Muniano were just enjoying what Mudok was saying.
But at a point, if you Schwarzenegger try Senka or be putting on point, because of drawn attention, say you are threatening the president.
Yes, I'm saying that it's not a first of the league. It should have been the normal background. Are you getting me? The show is about her. She is the host. So she should have thought a photo, you know, not a so support. Support from all the panelists, including the host, and even the director of the program, including Panabexi.
Okay.
Because Panabexi, you are the executive director. And in your platform, on the platform, somebody is committing crime, threatening no person by the president. So quickly you could have pulled the attention of the director, the one directing, and then the one directing will signal to the Rama Brown.
Yeah.
And the Rama Brown will tell him, good up, please do something. These are my platform. I bring the executive platform now. There are thousands of people watching, including the president. You can come and sit here and threaten the president. So you either retract or leave the program. We know that's here.
Okay.
You make that both statements. Because retract and apologize to the president or leave. Yes, I don't leave here. Then we come and everybody say, platform. You don't really get credit for people to come and commit crime. But if you sit down as host and the director, including for the next demo, and this boy threatening the president, if one is a take you know, he was not giving the necessary support. Of course, I would show now that say police don't want to go further.
Post the pictures of your location, High Court. If you have to Nesio, and the catcher if you say, Miss me, then say, next available court date, Messi Ombra. Messi Ombra. Ono de menina wie kradeda abosom 26 na me de bo ne dua yes se na bia no kra ne beda de enti se me mona efia me tim de Blue Gate se me mona me parents di me akọ school mo se o se me ye lawyer Blue Gate enye sa me ye den me dupi nkofo enye sa obe mo be answer to 26 girls of my village me ne mo social media fight o na open followers Debbie me the account we me me fan base account na me de send na wo be hu me ma just 72 hours o rebe hu o wi ase a wo ba ye no o rebe hu me be sen wa enu la siwo enu la so la majum enu la so la padam de bugbotoji me nyamutai abrewa ba kokoseni o start o se o jem o Holland ene echire wo so mami me oba me obema na me pese na me so and there you goes bloggers I always advise you but how me say me hype you nenya followers say na be obenya followers say if any say those co-celebs and I mean few because me who say we need bria there and I don't move with people like that unya madam for una ya who post me me from my daughter yin na say we do true mu wo ka se kobirana ne ayi keche Andrew Crampo no no so person odi true mu wo ka ni nyina kire me tag we wi a ansa na me those recordings na ba beto abonten me na also ni me ba beji me no me say me de wo fiefo be dase fiefo e be dase obi biara nso a wa bomi din mona a wo te asem free kronfo ba efia nigga no now nim no kra na ewom and wa betena social media na didi matem. I'm not only petitioning the Ghana Education Service, neither am I petitioning her make sure papa so me o ka se me peka sa won me tirimu ya den ni tina me peka sa no me ye nipa boni ni ankasa se me bufu a na ma se mu wo mu a mitirimu ye den intina me bukure mfu rough no but wo de me ba beto wo page na didi me batem ewiase be funu papa wo me se wo be pro adampem wo true mu ne wo koti mu nyina be pie gogome na me de wo ma me wo papa me de wo nua no
of Nana Apia Mensa adodo nim se friend na one on na Men's Gold ye dia on na Zalafo Media ye dia ono na enema bebre company Zalafo Art Club things na ye ne dia nipa na no defend na obeji din wo social media na your friend no Stanley Mensa Kodia dodo na nim say your friend no KOD ya me kana asemi oye Ghana ni all right oye British soldier your friend no Stanley Mensa Kodia dodo na nim say your friend KOD waji din wo social media yi pa sabrante yi ebeji jira mu a na pia Mensa hunti odidi amamfo atem bebre e ko fanse bebre e ba social media entity a yensa kan say eye KOD a police for ason pachi ya channel for fraud eye KOD ya channel for fraud abisa for na me ka masaka si so biem no eye omo chi eye KOD eye property fraud unit of the Ghana Police Service the nchechele mu nyina ya woni say one ne papa eye KOD ne papa ekoton asase bi ewo eye oyarefa ma businessman bi ne papa me kana say me ye friend no ni opotikodua omo koton 20 plots of land ewo oyarefa gravel pit ma eye o businessman bi say ono so emfanye ne business plot omo ton man na ye 20 plots of land and omo ton ye eji o musika pudu ehye o mubotom ton fie ne ho ne ma enkodu 2020 na mai da ne ho se oba behwe ne land na wa start develop ya oba ya wo yi na ye dwiri agu a ye bubu gate na obi na AC ne dai wo so no the what e dey na ekoso yi asase matua sika pudu e ba na sen debi asem we dey mentena so na obopia police for the to manim say masase obi awia masase me to free eye KOD eho KOD and di ankasa Stanley Mensa Kodia yi me to free ni ho ema onene papa ene ton asase ne maame na obi a de I say you to say no mo rush ni pana ono so develop no enko tete ma tete ye ne kire say eye KOD kroya ene nabusuafo yi ne papa fo yi na asa atwa mo aton asase na amani pa foforo eno na KOD ne di mu tintiban kobaye eton asase no edema eye nipa ya sisi oyusu land abusafo ansi ho na omo se dabi e wo se yekochia be man na be man e be kirem ye chi KOD ene ne koye ye chi no on Wednesday January 13th ena ye chi abrantie yi ena ye de ne call police e man ko chone statement abusafo ke wo di chone statement owie ye no ya man bail la
without being intimate with Maxwell.
And so she say
emre don say na beda ntemu a woni Maxwell bia ono na adwuma ene wo adwuma o ye ne munya adagye mfa nhia mu.
I'm ready.
Me kan nhia mu a wo pani nti ase.
Matewasia.
Say Jehovah.
Oh, I'm ready. I'm kind of cry show. Me dia me unya frame me no wa ha me because I say asem no de wo ho na na me yi ama o. Me pa ho me pebingo. I'm ready. I think when I got pregnant, the beginning of my pregnancy, I had to stay away from sex.
And that was the longest period.
6
months?
No, I got pregnant for 8 months.
So for the whole pregnancy period? Maxwell, me mama, me say what you.
As you solve a problem, no indirectly, the kakra along the way. Oh, on investment. So I need the house also to the American.
I know.
Indirectly on the way, we were solving the problem so that it can equivalent to what I say.
So for the time being, in between the time foregoing.
Ochame bo ura maso abasu dey let you say Ochame dey own to me.
Someone said here under situation that I did an IVF.
Yeah, I know.
And yemi enu nyina no yema ye ho time
to know obi are fully aware.
Plan say yeah.
Yet Ghana ha ana musi nyankopɔ ayi akyɛw sɛ na ado dan Akufo Addo na bɛwe ne owusu bɛmpa ka bi na jagezi so se NDC na bɛwe ne na nyankopɔ ba ko pa atimi yi ema different answers Megin ho make go go nsamente ase. Share the video and God will bless. If you want to hear the truth, share this video. Don't sit down there. Don't come and look at it and go away. You understand? Me wo ya obisa say adeti na manwe ni a me go go nsam. Eya bufuo e na ma me ko fa yo me politician. Nana de ye mpini ye na nyeniti e na ma me ko fa form so ntu ni ma me ka chi opredwene ho ansa na wo ya obisa me question. Yet Ghana ha ana sa sofu we mu e baaye se Nana Addo bewene na Jagezi wonu ne se ayi bewene e friend say Mahama bewene. How can one God give different answers? When you make back up no or different answers. Enra ye to aba. Me do Nyankopon say, Enra, me go go nsam nya bibia ko. I will do something. What se me bibia na mo nyina so nya sa me ye. Hwe se mo atiman ka se NDC ni no e be first speaker of parliament. Obi ani ho tu se nkom se NDC ni be first speaker of parliament. Obi bie ni ho se ye be to aba no parliament ho a mienu be say ye be to aba na NDC for no
wo se sunsun mo no sunsun mo osofo bi ote ase e wo Ghana ehwie den
obompaye
ehwie bibigu
obompaye no mpaibo no se yengu Mahama hufu.
Wow.
Yes, and as asofo na make no 3 days to election kranko asofo na make no esofo kese pa ofri nyame.
Wow.
3 days to election anko.
Wow.
In the ntwie be 3 e ba no so e wusunsun anko fa le twanso
eti na ni nyina mu jira sunsun mu hu ni nyina
o se nyame bofo ni be yi a kire o bofo ni o ye juma ni be yi a kire o ati ati mi nka so fo hye nkom na mbe ma o fi nyame.
Wow.
But o hye nkom na se be sisa you have to, by the grace of God, you have to also know say
wo se sunsun mo no sunsun mo osofo bi ote ase e wo Ghana ehwie den
obompaye
ehwie bibigu
obompaye no mpaibo no se yengu Mahama hufu.
Wow.
Yes, and as asofo na make no 3 days to election kranko asofo na make no esofo kese pa ofri nyame.
Wow.
3 days to election anko.
Wow.
In the ntwie be 3 e ba no so e wusunsun anko fa le twanso
eti na ni nyina mu jira sunsun mu hu ni nyina
o se nyame bofo ni be yi a kire o bofo ni o ye juma ni be yi a kire ati mi nka so fo hye nkom na mbe ma o fi nyame.
Wow.
But o hye nkom na se be sisa you have to, by the grace of God, you have to also know say sisa.
My level, people make it tell you something about the coconut water. My baby, I am feeble. Look, when I arrived there, I give them for base room. Within a minute, Mamma, I want to know. It's about the organ at the other panel. Only Cubesio. Kubesio na natural. Mese yafa only fertilizer. Yafa do biaka kubesio. Enti so wuti paiwo. Anase wo yemu nunuwa. In the money we take coconut water. We did not mean to bounce on water.
Only Cubesio. Only Cubesio.
Abusiafo anumre me ba ya masem tie na mde e ba ye mo amo chro mo amo ka mo pensensemu mo amo ka ne mu nim mo amo pe hype mo obi ka e say like abusiafo me da mu nyina ase mo nyina mo wo mu a eye eno ena eka ho ema bofra no waduru mpempenso a waduru no ba samba ko ameka kire matan ni mematan ayaya Africa fo Ghana fo ese mo wi fo nsa aya no mahwe mo nsa mo wi ofo nsa aya no mahwe mo nsa na mahunu se ewiase yase kwasia no se ye de menyonko ye ne me ene bia me ba
ena mo nipa nyina ya twi na bo so no but ebia na china na nso eye wo ba enti niameka na maka ni biem ni masisu pise abusuafo ensama mo kafa kwala no hu ni nyina enya nokre when the show onye depressed afei next month nyame ya na doma no enya 25 years enti dia na be ma kwala no waye depressed say waye depression say or depression say on or take drugs me amiti hai obi oni mi bia ni me maami wo mako 14 me na me ya last born me maami wo mako 14 me na me ya last born okay na me mpo a me ya last born no me hia me nanso da ya